Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Airalo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below in the right corner and you will find the profile option. Press on it. After doing so, you can see the first option here presented to you, which is account information. Press on it. And after that, when you enter that section, you will see here all the information about your account, including your first name, last name, email or Gmail address, your current password, and in the bottom you will see the delete account option. Press on that, and after that all you have to do is just select a reason why you want to delete your account. For example, incompatible device, and you can add further comments like describing a little bit in more detail why you want to delete your account. And once you're done with that, you have to press continue at the bottom of your screen. After you have done that, you will see here a description what will happen if you delete your account, mostly the disadvantages. And if you're all okay with all of these, all you have to do just press delete account at the bottom of your screen, and your account will be deleted soon after. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.